Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday I let you know that Microsoft had rolled out the latest optional bug fix C-release update for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2, which is KB 5089573. I'll leave the video for that link down below and in the end screen because there's quite a bit going on. So go check that out if you'd like some information. And one of the new features, as I mentioned, that is rolling out with the update is a feature called shared audio, which is a Bluetooth LE audio feature that lets two pairs of headphones, earbuds or other hardware listen to the same PC at once. And it's a feature that's been rolled out gradually, so it's not immediately available for all. And as I mentioned, you have to have the right hardware for the feature to be enabled on your system. Now, I touched briefly on shared audio yesterday, so I thought for this video we could just go a little bit more deeper into what the feature is about. I did post on it when it was still in preview, but now that it's rolling out to the general public, I thought this may be a good time just to have a closer look. So if you have access to shared audio, I don't, but if you do, you'll find the toggle. If we have a look at a couple of screen grabs taken by Windows latest, I'll leave the article in the description. You'll find the toggle in quick settings. This toggle shows up on PCs with build, as mentioned, 26200.8524 or newer, which was the update that rolled out recently. And then to get started, as you can see, you'll need to click shared audio in quick settings, and it'll open a new panel where Windows 11 lists all supported Bluetooth devices, and obviously you can toggle each of those on as required. Now, if your headset is missing, just take note. It means it's not supported by the shared audio feature, which is powered by Bluetooth LE audio. And then, as mentioned, you'd select the headsets you want to use, and then you'd click on share to begin sharing the audio. Now, just on a quick side note, if you want to verify if Bluetooth LE audio is supported on your PC, it's actually quite simple to have a look. So what you would do to verify if Bluetooth LE is natively supported on your PC is you would head into your settings in Windows 11 after that update has been applied. Head over to Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Devices, and if you scroll down to Device Settings, here you'll see a third option underneath Show Notifications to connect using Swift Pair and Download over Metered Connections. You'll see a third option, which I don't have. As mentioned, this device does not support Bluetooth LE audio, and you'll see a toggle here listed as Use LE audio when available. And obviously you would toggle that on to be able to use LE audio if it's available on your device. So that's just as a quick side note how you can check to see if Bluetooth LE audio is supported on your device. So if the shared audio toggle doesn't appear in quick settings currently or over the next few weeks, because it's on a gradual rollout as mentioned, it likely means your PC doesn't support the feature. Now, if you have a fully capable setup with supported hardware, something else to take note of is Windows 11 will also let you modify the volume for each connected headset in a shared setup, because by default the same system volume is shared between the two headsets. So you'll be able to click on more volume settings. It'll take you to this menu where you can adjust each of those devices individually, which I think is a nice move. So I just wanted to do this quick video to get us all on the same page, because I've seen one or two comments that has gained a bit of interest, and just wanted to have a bit of a deeper dive into what the new shared audio feature is all about. And if your device is supported, Microsoft does expect the rollout to finish in the coming weeks. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.